Importing electronic sensors and detectors, a beginner's guide. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about importing electronic sensors and detectors. I know this can be a daunting task, but I'm here to make it as easy as possible. What are electronic sensors and detectors? Electronic sensors and detectors are devices that convert a physical property into an electrical signal. This electrical signal can then be used to monitor or control a process. There are many different types of electronic sensors and detectors, each with its own unique properties. Some of the most common types include: temperature sensors measure the temperature of a substance. Pressure sensors measure the pressure of a gas or liquid. Flow sensors measure the flow rate of a fluid. Motion sensors detect the movement of an object. Light sensors measure the intensity of light. Sound sensors measure the intensity of sound. Why would you want to import electronic sensors and detectors? There are many reasons why you might want to import electronic sensors and detectors. Here are a few. To get the latest technology. Electronic sensors and detectors are constantly evolving, and the latest models offer the best performance and features. By importing electronic sensors and detectors, you can get your hands on the latest technology before it's available in your local market. To save money. Importing electronic sensors and detectors can often be cheaper than buying them from a local supplier. This is because the cost of manufacturing electronic sensors and detectors is often lower in other countries. To get a wider selection. The local market may not have the variety of electronic sensors and detectors that you need. By importing electronic sensors and detectors, you can access a wider selection of products from all over the world. How do you import electronic sensors and detectors? Importing electronic sensors and detectors can be a complex process, but it's definitely doable. Here are the steps involved. Identify the products you want to import. This is the first and most important step. You need to know exactly what products you want to import before you can start the import process. Find a supplier. Once you know what products you want to import, you need to find a supplier. There are many different suppliers of electronic sensors and detectors out there, so it's important to do your research and find a supplier that you can trust. Get quotes from different suppliers. Once you've found a few suppliers, you need to get quotes from them. This will help you compare prices and find the best deal. Negotiate with the supplier. Once you've received quotes from different suppliers, you can start negotiating with them. This is your chance to get the best possible price on the products you want to import. Place an order. Once you've agreed on a price with the supplier, you can place an order. This is usually done through a written contract. Pay for the order. Once you've placed an order, you need to pay for it. This is usually done by wire transfer or letter of credit. Get the products shipped. Once the supplier has received payment, they will ship the products to you. This is usually done by air freight or ocean freight. Clear customs. When the products arrive in your country, you will need to clear customs. This is a process of ensuring that the products meet all of the import regulations in your country. Get the products delivered. Once the products have cleared customs, you will need to get them delivered to your business. This is usually done by a freight forwarder or a trucking company. Here are a few tips for importing electronic sensors and detectors. Do your research. Before you start the import process, make sure you do your research. This will help you avoid any potential problems. Get quotes from multiple suppliers. It's always a good idea to get quotes from multiple suppliers before you place an order. This will help you compare prices and find the best deal. Negotiate with the supplier. Once you've received quotes from different suppliers, you can start negotiating with them. This is your chance to get the best possible price on the products you want to import. Use a freight forwarder. If you're not familiar with the import process, it's a good idea to use a freight forwarder. A freight forwarder can help you with everything from getting quotes from suppliers to clearing customs. Be patient. The import process can take some time, so be patient. It may take a few weeks or even months for the products to arrive.